Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all of you happy and well. So into the video, button crafts ideas. Viewers. So viewers, today I am sharing some super cute and decorative button crafts ideas you will absolutely love. So grab your buttons and let's get started. Button tree art. First, let's make a colorful button tree. Use a simple sketch of a tree. Include button as the leaves. It looks so bright and fun, and friends, button tree art. Take a plain canvas or cardboard sheets and draw simple tree trunk with branches. Now comes to the fun part. Glue colorful buttons on the branches to make the leaves. You can use shades of green for a spring tree or orange, red and yellow for a fall look. Frame it and you will get a cheerful piece of art to brighten up any room. Next, let's make a button flower frame. Take an old photo frame and decorate it choosing button shades like flowers or pastel. Mix big and small buttons together to create a 3D effect. It's a wonderful way to give new life to an old frame, and it's make your photo look even more special in the viewers. And friends, add some colors to your craft space with the button rainbow. Take a sheet of cardboard and draw the outline of rainbow. Then fill each section with buttons matching the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. It's so simple yet looks stunning once finished. Perfect for kids art project and classroom decorations. Button jewelry for this. How about making button jewelries?